Hi everyone. Today I'm going to use the Owasp juice shop and I'm going to solve one challenge and let's start. First of all, open the juice shop, npm start. Sorry. Okay, we will start the juice shop and let's navigate to the browser, localhost. I have already cracked the username and the password of the admin, so I'm gonna use the same one to log in. Okay, so we are here on the challenge section. Okay, reset Jim's password. So the rating is 3. That means it's not very easy. Like you have to think and you have to do a couple of things in order to solve this. So it shows that reset Jim's password via the forgot password mechanism with the original answer to his security question. So they are saying that just reset the Jim is any user on the web choose shop web application. Just reset his password by using the forget password mechanism and by answering the security answer. So I'm guessing that we don't know the answer of the security question. So we're gonna think how we're gonna do that. Basically, we're gonna perform the brute force tag because it's a name. So let's see if that works. So it is broken authentication. So let's see what is broken authentication. So I have may draw a small map for the broken authentication. So let's understand what is broken authentication. So broken authentication is a vulnerability in the web application which is very common, and it allows an attacker to use manual or automatic methods in order to gain access or like gain control to any account the attacker wants. So basically in simple language saying that, so without like using the login and password, without authentication. So what is authentication? Like we authenticate by giving our credentials. Without giving a credential, the user, the attacker wants to use the web application and do anything. So basically what attacker does, they try to steal the session or they try to put any like random passwords in order to access the web application. Okay, so for example, we have a user here. This user wants to access the web application, and most of the web application comes with login and password. So see, user will put the credentials. These credentials will be matched with the database, and if the credentials are genuine, so it will give access to the user, the web application. So it will create a session, so it will give a session ID as well. So this whole session, so user can user can access the website. So what an attacker can do, attacker can do three type of things. The number one is credential stuffing. So what is credential stuffing? In credential stuffing, attacker is using like if there is any breach in the past of any company or any website, they try to and some usernames or passwords are like breached or on the website on the internet. Attacker try to use the same set of username and password in order to get into the web application. Automated attacks. So in automatic attacks, the attacker is just trying random passwords over here, random username and password to see if it gets through or not. Default password are like, for example, we have Kali Linux, we use root and tool. For Kali Linux 2020, we use Kali and Kali. So that's a kind of default password. So sometimes user can get access to the web application using the default passwords. So this is all for the broken authentication. Okay, moving forward. So Jim's password. So we don't even know the gym's ID on this Juke Shop web application. So let's start from there. Let's find the ID. Then only we can reset the the password. Okay. Let's see. Admin and Juke Shop. Okay. No reviews here. Vendor at Juke Shop. So I'm guessing that the gym's ID is going to be gym at juiceshop.op, right? So, but let's see what we can find from this information, like UVOGIN at juiceshop. So, yeah, it's going to be this one. Let's see. This is again admin. No review. Okay, here we go. As I said, it's the same ID which I was guessing. But now we are sure that this is the same ID of gym. So we're gonna do, let's log out this one and log in. Let's put the gym's ID, and we don't know the password, just forward password. Okay, so sorry for this save login thing. So Jim's security question is your eldest sibling's middle name. So it's asking for the middle name of the eldest siblings which Jim has given here. So let's put ABC just to see what it says. Just change password. Your answer to security question, wrong answer to security question. Okay, so for this, let's use the Bob suit in order to see what's the response when we are clicking the change password, and it will give us an idea that what we can do next. And I'm using Kylix 2020, so you can install the Owasp Juice Shop in this as well. It just took like 10-15 minutes. It's not that tough, it's very easy. Okay, all right. So for that, you have to change the settings in your browser. You just go to proxy. Okay, manual proxy 127.0.0.1 and port is this. Okay, click on OK. Okay, let's refresh this. Yeah, so it's working. Let me check. Okay, so it is not showing the response here, so there might be something wrong. I faced this problem before as well. So for this, just restart your Kylix machine and it will be fixed. That's what I'm gonna do for now. Okay, I reset everything and it should work now. Let's try one more time. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Click on change. Yes, so it shows your answer, wrong answer to security question. Let's see what it shows in the Bob suit. If you go here, yes, it shows the response now. So let me do it like this. This is our request. Okay, so we're requesting email the answer, new password and repeat password, right? In response, it is showing us wrong answer to the security question, right? So let me go to my repeater. So I'm going to perform a brute force attack. I'm going to explain you. Okay, this is my repeater. Here we go. So see, this is my request and this is my response. So let's try A, B, C, D, same, E, same, F, G, H. I'm clicking again and again. Some kind of brute forcing. So forcing. So that means doesn't have any security to brute force attack. So I can perform a brute force attack, so it will not block me. And let's try that way. So in order to perform the brute force attack using the Bob suit, go to intruder in positions and just paste your request here. Okay, so it's showing configure the positions where payloads will be inserted into the base request. So they are saying we have to add this symbol where we have to put the payload. So email and answer is ABC. That means we're gonna put it the symbol here because we're gonna use our payload here. So what it will do, so this thing will be replaced by any given strings we are going to give to the Bob suit, right? So it will put everything here and give the answer. Okay, moving forward, we have payloads. The payload type let you configure a simple list of strings that are used as payloads. So here we can put the list of strings, okay, because we know it's just the string, so we're gonna put it here. So I have already downloaded like top 100 names from the website. I'm gonna show you how. First of all, let me paste this one. Just copy, paste. It pastes all the list here. Okay. Alright. So what I searched like top 100 common names. I used this website. So over here you can see, like, you might ask that you only have these names and not the unnecessary information. How did you do that? So let me tell you that as well. It's very simple though. So if you have Node.js, okay, just paste it here. You see it's all the unnecessary information over here. So you have to click on here, start recording, remove this, and okay, stop recording. And when you click over here, playback, see, it's removing the data. So you can do it for the other data as well. So whatever data you want, you can keep it, and other you can remove it. Okay, moving forward. All right. So after setting the strings, okay, we have to perform the attack now. So click on start attack. So on the community edition, the brute force stack is quite slow. And that's why I'm using the top 100. Let's see the response. So you can see, so it tried James in the security answer, and it shows wrong answer to the security question. That means James is not the answer. Go down. John. So now it tried John, and it again says John is not the answer. Similarly, tried Robert, wrong answer. Michael, William, David. So as you can see, it is brute forcing all the 100 strings I have mentioned in the payload options, and trying to see which one works. Okay, I'm gonna pause my video because this takes time. So now the attack is finished, as you can see, and let's see what's the result. Wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer. Jacob, Gary, Nicholas, Eric, Stephen, Jonathan, Frank. I can see some of my classmates. Frank, Jacob, Samuel. Okay. See, so we got the security answer. That is Samuel, Samuel. Rest everything is like it's showing. Sorry, let me show you. Okay. Let's move to Owasp. Okay, now I'm gonna try login with the new password we have set for the gym. So that's a gym email ID, TEST123. So just to show you, so that's the gym email ID and that's a new password we have set. So we use the brute force attack to find the security answer, and we got the security answer right, and it changed the password of gym to test123, which I have reset. So let's try if this works. And yes, see, it works. We are inside the gym's account. As you can see, there's a gym's account, and let's just check the scoreboard. And you can see reset gym's password. So over here you can see it was unsolved, so it is solved now. So we have successfully solved this challenge, and I think we have done one more. Let me check. Yes, login with gym's user account. So we have done two, like the other challenge was to log in into a gym account. So we have changed the password and we have done the login into successfully login into gym's account as well. So yes, this was it for today's video. Thanks for watching.